bridge, there is the same bridge where we go for continuous trade. We go for continuous trade and pass through this bridge. You can see the piping. We already did the piping. I can show you here. Here we go by water. We do this is our barge. This is where we put our piping machine. We go and cast. This is the pipe. From here on, we have this piping also. Bridge 3, bridge 4. Bridge 4 after we reach this one is the this area, how it's hard. People, they cannot go with cars there. Everybody is going to his house with go. So we know how it's sensitive, the project, how it's important to the station.
You are aware that we're in the process of building, and those that will be impacted positively are the people of River State. I have civil servants that have challenges with their accommodation. We've been out there to see how far the project is going, and I think I was also assured that the accommodation will be delivered on time so that those who require them will be able to settle down to do their work. And then we're also very much aware of the very difficult and challenging terrain around here in terms of communicating between communities. This project, when completed, I think will boost the socio-economic life of the state and the nation as a whole. And we're hoping and imploring the contractors to make sure that they keep to the timelines. I think the state has been able to meet up with its own obligation in terms of making available resources for them. So we're counting on them to keep to the completion time.
One, two, three.
Yes,